to stop the kirtan in middle. So, Om Ajnana-Timirandharasya Jnananjana-Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Share my screen. Today I'll just share a small pastime from the Ramayana, which shows the great, beautiful devotion of Lakshman. All of us have heard of this pastime, where Marich disguises himself as a golden deer, and Sita, taking the role of a conditioned soul, gets attracted to the illusion of the golden deer. So Sita represents all of us who get attracted to the glitter and glamour of this world and are trapped by Maya. Lakshman immediately says that, my dear mother, that is not one of 8.4 million species. 84 लाख योनियों में से वो नहीं है. It means it's a Mayavi, and I can know that it is none other than the Mayavi Marich, who has come in a disguised form as this golden deer to allure you. Sita said, I don't want to hear all this, whether it is one of the species or not, but I simply want that deer with me to be taken to Ayodhya. And Sita turned to Lord Ram and said, my dear Ram, will you not get me that deer, that golden deer, that unique golden deer, so that we can take it to Ayodhya and keep it in Ayodhya so safe, so nice. So Ram, playing the role of a beautiful husband, accepted to Sita's request and goes behind the golden deer. And when he goes behind the golden deer, in the fight with the golden deer, the Mayavi Marich shouts loudly, hey Sita, hey Lakshman, please save me. And immediately Sita says, this is the voice of Ram. Lakshman says, what can happen to Ram? Ram is the supreme Lord. Nobody can do any harm to Ram. Sita says, I don't know, Lakshman, I don't know. I'm very fearful. Ram is in trouble. He's calling out for us. So you should immediately go and protect him. Lakshman says, but my dear mother, Ram has ordered me to stay here and protect you. Sita says, I don't know all that. Go immediately. Ram needs us immediately. And when Lakshman did not hear, then Sita started saying that, today I understand why you left all the opulences of Ayodhya, and without you being sent to forest, you voluntarily accepted Vanvas with both of us. You were looking for an opportunity when I would be alone and you wanted to enjoy me. You had this wrong vision towards me. And Lakshman was like holding his ears and saying, mother, please don't speak like this. And Lakshman's heart was being pierced by the harsh words of Sita. But still he was not leaving. But when Sita said that, do you think I will ever agree to your ill intentions and proposals? I will die, I will invoke fire and myself die. I'll commit suicide, but I'll never ever agree to such a request. And when Sita threatened to give up her life, Lakshman actually goes to protect Ram. And when he goes, he sees that Ram sees Lakshman from very far, and Ram starts shouting at Lakshman, you fool, don't you understand? I had told you to be with Sita. Why did you come here? Lakshman said, but Sita Maya was speaking such harsh words and doubting my character, and I had to leave that place and come to protect you because Sita would give up her life. And Ram immediately said, Sita is a emotional lady, why did you come in the words of an emotional lady? You are a rational man. Why did you not put your rational and intelligence and leave her alone? You know how dangerous is the forest. And Lakshman was like that you that sugar cane which gets crushed in the machine. So he was getting crushed between Sita and Ram. But just see the character of Lakshman. Lakshman never ever for a moment thought to give up this service of Sita and Ram. In fact, Lakshman gave his whole life after that also to search Sita. In fact, when some of the jewels which Sita had dropped on while going on the Pushpak Viman, they were found by Ram. Ram brought it and showed to Lakshman. Lakshman, can you identify any of these jewels? And Lakshman said, yeah, I don't know about any of these jewels, but I know that this Nupur, which Sita Maya would put at her like fingers of the toes, the uh, the feet. He said that this Nupur, I am very sure this is of Mother Sita only. I can tell you with 100% guarantee. Because till date, I have only taken darshan of Mother Sita's lotus feet always. That is my constant meditation. So this level of character what Lakshman had, this was doubt, this was put on test by Mother Sita. But Lakshman shows this beautiful example that how sometimes there may be misunderstandings, sometimes there may be ups and downs, sometimes there may be good days and bad days, but in all weather, we should always remain fixed up in our service to the Lord, in our devotional service, in our spiritual practice. And Krishna beautifully summarizes this in a shloka in the Gita second chapter, where he says, where he says, सुख दुखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ जया जयो ततो युद्धाय युञ्जस्व नैवं पापम् इव अवाप्स्यसि सुख दुखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ जया जयो ततो युद्धाय युञ्जस्व naivam papam vivapsyasi. Krishna says, whether it is happiness or distress, sukha or dukkha, gain or loss, victory or defeat, labha labho jaya jayo. In all conditions, what should you do, Arjuna? Tato yuddhaya yunjasva. You should fight as a duty. Naivam papam avapsyasi. If you do work as a duty given by the Supreme Lord, naivam papam iv avapsyasi. You will never be afflicted by sin. So any activity which we perform in this world has some amount of sin involved. But when we do it as a duty which is given by the Supreme Lord, when we are not attached with the result but only attached with the activity as a duty, then we are not afflicted by sin. We don't get any sinful reactions. So this fixity on our duty begins every day. By every day, whether it is whether our mind says I like it or whether our mind says I don't like it today. Sometimes our mind may be very enthusiastic to chant. Sometimes our mind may say, "Pata nahi aaj man nahi kar raha hai." But in all these conditions, all of us should be fixed up in our duty, in our spiritual duties, and also in our academic duties and occupational duties. But every day morning it begins with our spiritual duty, especially of chanting of Hare Krishna. So let's come together and chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare